They say the best way to spread Christmas cheer is to sing loud for all to hear. So if you wish to spend the sweater weather together with your new homies and have a gala celebration, it's time to think a little bit out of the box. Even though Christmas started as a Christian holiday, people all around the world have embraced the season with their own traditions. And now it's your turn. Hello everyone, this is Sanskriti, your study abroad buddy, and today I'm going to talk about the traditions and ideas to make your Christmas quirky and fun. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first tradition that you can do is the Colonel Santa. This tradition originated in Japan for KFC as a festive marketing campaign. Kentucky for Christmas spawned as a national trend that thrives till date. So gather your flatmates and head out to the nearest KFC for a memorable supper over fun and musical conversation. So have you guys heard about pickle in the tree? If not, let me tell you, the Christmas tree tradition started in Germany back in the 16th century. Following this, why don't you hide a pickle in one of the branches of the tree that you have decorated, and then let the members of the house locate it. Whoever finds the pickle first can get a cute little gift or a delicious dinner. Moving on to the third tradition, that is Bad Santa. I gotta tell you guys, this one is kind of my favorite. So if you want to have an adventurous 25th of December, putting aside the merrymaking, Bad Santa should be on the top of your list. All you have to do is dress up as terrifying creatures and go out on the streets with your friends to scare pedestrians. This tradition started in Austria, where Krampus, the evil friend of Saint Nicholas, wandered the streets to frighten misbehaved children. So you can have a day filled with so many pranks and so much fun. The last fun tradition that you can do is Shoe by the Fire. This game was the favorite of Dutch children who would place their shoes in front of the fireplace, awaiting gifts the next day. You can do the same. All you have to do is get a pair of attractive shoes and place it in front of a fireplace. In case there is none, you can light a candle and place the shoes in front of them with a little piece of note. And you never know, you might get a surprise from your bestie or your roommate or any loved one. Just a little bit of advice. Please don't burn your room down with that lit candle. Be a little more careful with it. So friends, that's all it about Christmas. You can use these age-old ideas and make this Christmas one of a kind. Because no matter what, these are festivals in the heart that put holidays in the air. This is Sanskriti signing off. See you all in the next video. Happy holidays everyone.